Hello everybody, it's me jonesrmj here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. First off, just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This will be my last video for 2022 as I have less than 24 hours to go at the time of filming this till the new year. Anyways, over the holidays, the phone carriers had some pretty good deals for upgrading phones. And given that I've been using a 4.5-year-old iPhone XS as my daily driver, which has since seen some major battery degradation and whatnot, I decided to jump on one of the carrier deals and upgrade to the iPhone 14 Pro. The deal was really good as I only had to pay $99 for this 256GB iPhone 14 Pro after I traded my iPhone XS, which is a really good deal. Anyways, without further ado, let's unbox it. Before we unbox it, here's a quick look at the case I got for the phone. This was just a simple black matte textured case that I found on Amazon and manufactured by Torres, as you can see here. Basically includes the case. The case also has MagSafe support, as you can see by the ring on the back, and it also includes the ability to change the color of your buttons if you want to, but obviously I don't care about that because I prefer just the simple look of the black buttons and whatnot. But as you can see, it's got this really nice matte texture on the back, pretty sturdy. You can see that massive camera bump there to protect the massive camera on the phone. You can see you got the ports down there, volume buttons and whatnot. And yeah, overall this is a really good case. Definitely is pretty similar to the one I had on my XS, and if you just want like a simple yet protective case, I definitely recommend it. Alright, now let's go ahead and unbox the phone. So I went with the Space Black 256GB iPhone 14 Pro. You can see the little dynamic island up there. We got Apple logo on the top and bottom. It says iPhone on the side. Pretty standard Apple packaging. On the back, as you can see again, iPhone 14 Pro, and yeah, Space Black and 256GB, as you can see right there. Alright, let's go ahead and peel these little pull tabs on the back. And then we can flip the box over and lift up the lid. So there we go, there is the 256GB Space Black iPhone 14 Pro. I do really like the frosted glass on the back. You can see the massive camera. You got the millimeter wave port right there for the 5G. Of course, still got lighting on the bottom. Volume buttons, slider. You can see stainless steel on the side. So yeah, honestly, a pretty nice feeling phone. So and we got of course, the USB-C, the lightning cable right here. I don't think I'm going to need that cable right now, so I'm just going to put it back in there. And then, of course, you got the all your manuals. Yep, this is an eSIM phone, so no longer get a SIM card tool. And then, of course, we got the Apple sticker there as well. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic. I'll be quiet so you can hear the satisfying sound. You know what, not quite as satisfying as when I unboxed my iPhone XS, but still pretty satisfying nonetheless. So of course we got the dynamic island up there, and yeah, before we go ahead and do anything, I'm going to go ahead and quickly put a screen protector on, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and put a screen protector on. It turned out pretty good. Got a nice glass screen protector right there, pretty flush. As you can see, there's only a cutout for the earpiece at the very top, which I really like. Other than that, covers the whole front of the phone. The screen protector also came with a camera protector, which I decided to put on as well, because of course I'm all about trying to keep my phone in mint condition. And as you can see, I went ahead and put the case on as well, with the MagSafe on the back and whatnot. And yeah, again, with the phone inside the case, like, yeah, it feels pretty solid. I really like the case, and nice and simple and sleek. And yeah, let's go ahead and power up the phone and begin the setup process. Alrighty, I apologize for the change in camera angle. I went ahead and switched to my iPad camera so that way I could use my XS to obviously like transfer the data over. But as you can see here, the phone's side by side. The iPhone 14 Pro, of course, is a little bit bigger, 6.1-inch screen versus 5.8 on the XS. But overall, I do like the 14 better. It definitely has a nicer screen for sure, and the dynamic island is pretty nice. But yeah, I mean, the XS did serve me well for quite a bit of time. It's just, yeah, time to upgrade after the whole, like, battery has degraded for a while. And I have started to have some performance issues as well. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and select English, United States. And there is the whole quick start thing. So let's go ahead and grab the XS and go through the setup process. Alrighty, it's asking me to position my phone so that the XS can see the swirly magic stuff. And there we go. Alright, basically just asked for my passcode, so I went ahead and typed that in off camera, and now it just says, okay, it looks like it's activating the phone now, of course, because it's eSIM. Alrighty, so now we have to set up Face ID, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. And now it's asking for us to transfer data over. So let's go ahead and transfer from iPhone since I have my XS right here, or of course agree to the terms and conditions. And yeah, all the settings are fine and whatnot, so we'll just go ahead and tap continue. And yep, iMessage and FaceTime, all that's good. Emergency SOS, this of course has the crash detection as well as the satellite, which is pretty cool. And oh, okay, it actually looks like we have an update for us. So let's go ahead and update real quick. Alrighty, the phone just finished updating and now it says prepare to transfer. So I'm assuming that is now going to do the decently long process of transferring all of my data over from the XS to the 14 Pro. So let's go ahead and wait for this to complete. Alrighty, the transfer process is now complete, and as you can see, the phone is set up. So we are on the lock screen right now, and you can see there's the always on display right there. So let's go ahead and quickly unlock the phone, and yeah, there we go. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and say yes to that. So as you can see, of course, a bunch of apps are going to have to download. So let's go ahead and kind of, I guess while we wait for the apps, I can show you a bit around the phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and try out the dynamic island. So as you can see, I have a song playing here, so let's go ahead and exit the music application. As you can see, just like that, it flows up into the dynamic island. We can long press and get our playback controls. We can also, of course, tap on it to go back to the music app. So yeah, pretty cool. Alrighty guys, the phone is now completely set up. All my apps are downloaded, and I went ahead and rearranged some of the icons as well, just to give the phone a bit of a new feel, you know, change things up a bit. After all, this is a new phone on the outside, so let's make it feel like a new phone on the inside as well. So well, I mean like on like the operating system in terms of how I lay everything out. So yeah guys, this is going to conclude the unboxing video for the iPhone 14 Pro. I do plan on doing a long-term review of this phone, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss my future content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.